Hi, it's Amber and Steve with eBlocks. Welcome to our expert guide on redemption stores. Today, I'm going to show you how to radically improve the speed and efficiency of your redemption programs. It'll only take a few minutes, so let's get started. Here's a problem many of you might be familiar with. You're managing an employee appreciation program for a top client, and it's time for your client to distribute the gift redemption information to the recipient. However, they're stuck with a painfully long redemption process. If you've ever tried to quickly grab a free gift and check out on an e-commerce store designed to collect payments, deal with shipping, and everything else, you know the deal. There are too many instructions and too many steps, resulting in frustration for the recipients, more chances for errors, and often a cumbersome process for managing the orders themselves. You've all seen emails like this one. We're talking about 9 steps here. Nobody in your HR department wants to send an email like that. So, let's try to simplify things. You always have the option of that old standby, the Google form. Who hasn't sent one of these out for a gift program? Fill this out so we can capture your information and make it super easy for you to get a t-shirt. But these forms create even bigger problems. What if they don't put in a valid address or get some other important information wrong? In this case, the solution is just a bit too simple, and you often wind up with bad data. Check out this one. A user enters the wrong address, and you know what's going to happen. FedEx or UPS has to turn around and change the ship to address because it wasn't imported correctly. And guess who's going to be billed for that? You. Did you account for that in your program? It's time to move past overly complex and overly simple solutions. It's time for the Goldilocks of redemption. After more than 20 years of building every kind of company store imaginable, eBlocks decided to step back and create something just for redemption programs. Something as seamless, swift, and efficient as possible. storeBlox Express is the perfect bowl of porridge, a simple-to-use, crazy-fast checkout capable of handling any redemption scenario. 3 clicks is all it takes. That's right, just 3 clicks. Don't believe us? Let Steve show you.
Hi, this is Steve, and I'd like to show you just how fast you can pick a gift and check out with storeBlox Express. We aim to get through this process in 60 seconds or less, so let's go ahead and put the stopwatch up there. So in this scenario, I've received an email with a web address and a redemption code, and that's all that's needed. I'm going to enter in the access code and then pick my holiday gift. So here's the code that I received. I pick the item, hit next step, put in my email address, my first and last name, my street address, my city, my state, and then zip code. And then if you want to put in a phone number, you can. And then confirm that you're not a robot for the reCAPTCHA, and then submit order. And that's it, and I'm done. And I think I probably even had a few seconds to spare. And those redemption codes that I used, they're unique, and storeBlox Express generates them automatically. They can even be included in the web address if you want to make it easier for users. Once a code is used, it can't be used again, and you get the same detailed reporting on redemptions that you've come to expect from storeBlox company stores.
And that's just one example. We've got demos from many kinds of programs. And if you don't have a demo that fits your needs, you're in luck. We build custom demos for free.
Here's another example, a sales kickoff program. In this stores, users are still getting their items for free, but they can choose multiple items from a larger pool of products. This type of redemption is common for a variety of situations, like uniform fulfillment, virtual swag bags, hospitality programs. So in this sales kickoff program, I can pick 2 items from a set of 2, and that's what's in this store. So if I put in my redemption code, hit enter store, we see that I can pick up the 2 items. And I'll add both items to the bag, hit next step. I enter in my email address, my mailing address, city, state, postal code, my country, and the phone number is optional. But once I choose the reCAPTCHA option to make sure we're not getting spam orders, I hit submit order, and I'm done. So really, all you have to do is click a few more times to pick the additional items, but there's nothing else to it. The sky is the limit for these programs when you have a process so simple and intuitive. We've got lots of demos to try, but feel free to throw all your ideas at us. We love challenges, and as Amber said, we'll build your demos for free.
Now that you've seen how fast the eBlock stores truly are, it doesn't stop there. Are you struggling with product ideas to pitch for your clients' redemption programs? We've got you covered there as well, over at the eblox.com blog. Check out our series of informative posts on trending gift items based on your client's industry. Thanks for watching. Need more info or a custom demo? Click the link in the video or head over to eblox.com and we'll get you taken care of. See you next time.